Why would anyone want me to teach leadership? Because there are hundreds of other people doing it, right? We are talking about being authoritative. And it is not about getting another certificate. Just collecting this doesn't quite help because everyone else is attending these courses. We don't shout louder. This is Li Feifei, godmother of AI, and she said today, degree are less important. You must be able to adapt. All the big companies, they are talking about skill-based. Even on LinkedIn, there is now a shift in portraying your skill. People want you to be able to solve problems and have the skill to do it. If we want to create course, we need to first discover problems that our target group has. Maybe they are not able to articulate it. We articulate it for them. So before the days of e-hailing, there was no Grab. It was such a pain to get taxi. Somebody saw the problem, gave us a solution, and now everyone is taking e-hailing. Being the go-to person is not about impressing people with a certificate or how good I am. It is about serving them. It is about what I can help them solve.
This is a sneak peek into the course creation challenge where I'll show you how to use AI to identify and position your segment's key pain point so you can design a clear, relevant solution that drives real transformation. I'll see you there.